Get relief from cough in one night. Coughing is one of the most common health problems, mostly during in monsoons. Usually, when there is a blockage or irritant in your throat or upper air passages, cough may occur. Coughing can also be due to a viral infection, common cold, flu, and smoking or health problems such as asthma, tuberculosis, and lung cancer. Some of the symptoms of a cough are itchy throat, chest pain, and congestion. Instead of using over-the-counter cough syrups, you can try some natural cough treatments using readily available ingredients in your kitchen, which are more effective and gives instant relief. For this, we need curcumin and honey. Firstly, take fresh curcumin and peel skin. Usually, turmeric is produced from curcumin. Crush curcumin and squeeze juice into a bowl. You can also use turmeric powder instead of curcumin. Take curcumin juice with a spoon and mix honey and swallow it before going to bed. You can feel relief in the morning, or else you can also take some dosage once again in the morning. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.